YouTube, what's good, y'all? So I did say I was gonna take y'all to a little dealership with me, and look at this scatty patati, man. Last time I was here, I actually got to sit in this car, and bro, this joint here crazy. Not gonna lie, y'all. Let me know what do y'all think is better in terms of RT and Scat Pack? Naturally, this does like 480. And then the RT does a cool 370, I believe. I think they locked some of the doors because I was here last time. Last time I was here, I was chilling. If y'all don't know, bro, this is not even the actual dealership. This is an extension of the dealership that's across the street. But take over RT. What y'all think about the RT? All these niggas don't walk over here, man. I'm not trying to conversate with nobody. They got a 345. Now they do got a Challenger RT. What y'all think about Challenger RTs? Personally, Challenger RT hard as hell. I'm not gonna lie, it's not hard. Hold on. I think they lock all the doors because of my ass, bro. I just be strolling over here. But it's not clean. It's Challenger. Now, I don't know why. I really don't like how this RT looks from the back, though. I don't really like this badge and whatnot. It looks strange. It look weird. Hold on, this is on a little 5 with the... This must be brand new. 345. I ain't gonna stay here all day because all the doors locked. Yo, twin. We just found something. Y'all, we just found something. So we just found something, y'all. Hold on. I can see it, I can smell it. Like a moth to a flame, boy. Hold on, they got some cool cars coming in. They got a Scat Pack right here. But twin, what the fuck? They got a wide body. Damn. Now this wide body crazy. It's exquisite. This 48? Damn, this only 48? Oh, because it's a certain type of package. So it's 67 total price, but the base price is 48. Damn, I thought this shit was 40. I was about to say, hold on, this is a steal. But it's 67. Twin. What the hell? Wide body Scat Pack, they be clean. Like a moth to a flame, boy. They got an F-150. Nah, wide body's crazy though. What y'all think about a wide body? This is insane. Just in case, you know what I'm saying, we want to make a little thumbnail. This clean as fuck though. Like you got like Alcantara seats in there. They got certain steering wheel. No, that shit fire. Then they got a little Scat Pack right here too. Y'all let me know which one better. Which one just makes more sense to get. I feel like if you want to own a vehicle, like straight out own your car, I would say go RT because it's cheaper. Well, at least if you ain't really got the money like that, then I would say just go RT because you can own it quicker. But nah, these Scat Packs clean. Now that wide, but let me know. That wide body Challenger, y'all let me know how y'all feel about that. They go a GT right here. Chrysler. Everybody just staring at the kid while I'm recording this shit, but it makes sense, I guess. But I'm finna go to another dealership. I wanna go look at some Camaros, because I know a lot of y'all, well, y'all didn't say nothing, but I know a lot of people was talking about the Camaros interiors are better than Dodge interiors. I feel like that's cap. So we about to go challenge that statement as we speak. We're about to challenge that statement as we speak. See, I like the back of this RT. This looks a lot better. Like everything blacked out. Wheels blacked out, all that. It's clean too. I think that's just the newer RTs that look like that. Dang, 67? But that's Hellcat, boy. What the fuck? This shit clean too. Well, it's not really clean because it's like it's stuff on it. But let's get up out of here, man. You got GT, S60. This Chrysler look tough though. Chrysler look clean. Yeah, I mean, look at the name, motherfucker. I mean, y'all might be on to something. But the best, I don't know, best interior? This is the best interior? I mean, it's the color kind of ass, but I mean, y'all might be on to something. This low-key look cool though. I don't know. Hold on. I don't know. I ain't gonna lie, the Camaro and whatnot was cool, but nah, it's not beating the Dodge. I'm not gonna lie. Like, do y'all see this, bro? Do y'all see this infotainment? Do y'all see the steering wheel? Man, maybe it was the trim. Maybe it was the model or something. I don't know. But this is the lowest trim of the Dodges, man. I mean, I do got a special package that make the steering wheel look cool and shit, but I don't know. It's not beating this, bro. Camaro versus, come on, bro. Nah. I think Dodge got the best interior out of all the muscle cars, in my opinion. I don't even need to look at a Mustang to know Mustang, so it's been a big, I'm pretty sure everybody has said Mustang's interior suck, but I guess I'm gonna catch y'all when I catch y'all, man.